Hi, I'm Shaw Grigsby, and you're watching The Real Deal Fishing Show.
Well, you step up on the deck in the early morning mist, praying hopefully that you won't miss. You strip out some line, practiced 1,000 times. God says dead ahead, moving to the left. See a tail fin swirl, nothing matters in the world but the perfect presentation of the fly. You live.
That's usually a good spot. Any kind of a transition. You can see the eel graft right here, the unifoil.
He took my swim bait. Not big, but it's a bass. That's what we're after. That's what I'm after. Aha! Swim bait, smallie. Nice little guy. Works for me. Off he goes.
You need the net, Bill, you think?
Nah, it's not that big.
Well, it's a keeper, though.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Nice tail dancer. That wasn't the fish.
Nah.
But obviously that's bigger than what we've been catching shallow.
Man, it's bass.
It's a nice, healthy smallmouth.
Real fishing is the real deal.
Yeah, they're here. They're just swimming around. That's what we've been seeing, the way they've been moving. Yeah, they are.
They're so
very,
versatile.
very
I mean,
productive.
jig it, swim it, and
Yep.
pop it. And of course, you know, they wouldn't be complete without me catching crappie. To be like
That's Bill's fish.
That's right.
I love pitching these Texas rig jigs.
They're awesome. You saw what they did, and you're throwing a bigger one right now. But we caught him in the grass, and this is in this whole day. This is the only section with wood and grass.
Just like bouncing them right off the bottom.
Yeah, just let it go up and down. Exactly. Just like the drop shot. You're a quick learner, dude.
Yeah. They're great baits, though. Our Team Lures really puts out a good product. No, I think.
If he taps them, you set that hook hard. You hung up?
Yeah, he got me in the brush.
You got a fish?
Yeah, there's a fish.
Let's see. Oh, he went way down. Open up your bail, let him swim off a little bit. Probably a pretty big fish. No. He wrapped you around. Just let him swim out. You know what I'm going to
I have a huge fish, and it's wrapped around a tree branch.
back up, Rich.
Okay.
I need to
You
get
need
off
to be
this
in that
back.
one?
Yeah, this is actually a lure knocker or a retriever, but what I'm going to do is just slide it down and try to loosen it off of the branch because I can't reach it. That is a tree. Well, you went in the right place, dude. I'll tell you. Holy cow, this is crazy. Don't try this at home, folks. All right, I gotta go further.
There's a big fish on the end of this, I know it.
Okay, now leave some slack.
Okay.
Okay. I can feel him pulling. I just got to get it. Oh, I can feel the branch. He's way down on the bottom. Oh, there's branches everywhere here. Trying to bring him out the bottom. This is crazy, dude. I may have to go underwater. He's over on that branch now.
It's like surgery we're doing on this tree branch.
I can still feel him pulling. Keep his head up out of the wood. Keep his head up out of the wood.
Oh, it's a big
Oh
one.
my God, Richie.
On a Denali rosewood rod.
Oh, he went into the tree.
We got him out,
It
though.
took us 10 minutes to get him out, it feels like.
On a Texas rig jig.
You spit it out.
Here. Bring him over here. Oh. Richie.
We did it.
Oh, God, what a hog. It's a 4-pounder. Here, Richie.
What a trip this has been.
Oh, God.
Oh, man.
Folks, this is a lure retriever. Normally to knock your lure out of a tree.
We used it to retrieve a fish.
We had to gently push the line down and around. I'll tell you, if it wasn't so muddy, they could see this. We finally got it. We had to pull our power poles up, go with a trolling motor around the outside while maneuvering. But it worked.
We did it.
God bless. I'm
Thank
telling
you, brother.
Oh,
And
man.
I guess we'll close out here. Thank you for an awesome trip, Bill.
It was
We
fantastic.
enjoyed ourselves. Hopefully you come on more trips with us.
Oh, absolutely.
We'll keep it real. Thanks for watching, folks.
If I had time, tide and tackle, I'd pull the flats from sunrise to sunset. I would throw the fly, catch them redfish on low tide if I had time, tackle. Catching bait out on the flats, while swatting at the gnats, so quiet you can hear them buzzing in your ears. Throwing the cast net, getting soaking wet, just a few more and we'll be on our way. Tide, time, and tackle, flowing through our rivers and our soul. In the early morning light, when you get that first bite, tide, time, and tackle, yeah. Sometimes around sunset, when the wind lays down, and you look out to the west to see the sun. Yeah, magic moment there in that evening air. A picture in my mind I can't forget.